First, locate the small slot on the side of your Holden VF, Barina, or Cruze key fob. Insert a flathead screwdriver or a coin into this slot. Gently pry the case open, being careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic can crack. Once open, note the orientation of the old CR2032 battery, positive side up. Use a non-conductive tool to remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure that no metal contacts touch the battery to avoid shorts. Finally, firmly snap the case back together. You should hear a click to ensure the fob is closed properly. After replacing the battery, test the key fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons within 10 to 15 feet of your vehicle. If the remote is not working, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the contacts are clean. Wipe them with a dry cloth. In rare cases, you may need to reprogram the key. To avoid future issues, store your key fob away from metal objects, as this can drain the battery. Dispose of old batteries responsibly by recycling them at electronics centers. Replacing the battery yourself can save you money compared to dealership service, typically costing around $5 DIY versus $50 to $100 at the dealer.